So for my Rolling Through the Years book, this is a book that was made for the 100th anniversary of Cedar Point, and since I worked there, I figured, I should probably learn a little bit more about the place that I work. So yeah, I bought the book. It was $100, so definitely an investment. Yeah, and today I'm going to be opening this big beautiful box that I've been waiting to open so I could film this. And yeah, let's get into it. There we go. This is massive, you guys. This is so big. Lola! Oh my gosh, there's so much bubble wrap that came with this. I love bubble wrap. Lola doesn't like it very much. Keep going. Okay. So I think this is the book itself. It's in another box. Inside this box. Lola, put the big box over here. You gonna come? Lola will be enjoying the box today. She loves boxes. Usually more than whatever comes inside of them. Alright, so now we have down to the next layer. Here we go. Oh my gosh. This is massive. Look at this. Okay, so there's like a plastic wrap over it, but this is huge. Here we go. It's definitely bigger than my head. This is an absolutely massive book. As you can see, it's like roughly the size of my torso. So definitely sizable. I honestly have no idea where I'm gonna store this yet, but let's take off this plastic wrap and start looking at the pages. Alright, wow. It's so big. I am so excited to actually open it up and see what's inside. Wow. Okay, so this is like the opening cover. I hope all of it's in the frame, but this is absolutely gorgeous. They have all the different logos in the front, and this isn't even like inside the book yet, so it's just amazing. Wow. I don't want to give too much of it away yet, but we do have this beautiful section about all the different landmarks about Cedar Point. So this is going to be really cool. I cannot wait to read all of it. Obviously right now I'm just doing the unboxing. Kelvin! Where's Kelvin? You want to be in the video? He is a little more camera shy than Lola is, so he made his appearance. And I've only looked at a few pages so far, and it looks like this book really gets into everything. They have a whole page about like all the different people who were very influential at Cedar Point, so that's exciting. They have there's this beautiful page about like the vintage promotional material, so that's really cool. I'm just so excited to read this. I mean, I don't want to give too much of the book away because, I would hope that you guys would want to read it for yourselves, but just from the looks of it so far, I am so excited. It is so big. This is just massive. Man, there's a section where they go through like every year that the park was open and talk about like what was new, what left, wow. Of course, they also have like a lot of vintage photos. They have vintage maps of the park so you can see like how it's changed over the years. This is really cool. If you're into history, even if it's not like specific like theme park history, this is such a cool book. This map in particular I think is really cool. This one is from 1981, so you can see Gemini here. No Magnum yet. Frontier Town is still very like underdeveloped. But really what impresses me is like the main Midway, like how similar it still looks to today, and like how many things are still there, and the things that aren't there. And since my first time at Cedar Point was in 2016, there's so much that was at the park before I got there that I never got to experience. So I'm hoping that with this book I will be able to have a greater understanding of some of the things that I never got to see when I wasn't able to be at Cedar Point. You want to see the book? Well, I apologize for my cats interrupting this video so much, but I don't want to give away too much of the book again because I want you to hopefully read it for yourself. So if you would like to see a full book review of Rolling Through the Years, please leave a comment to let me know. That can definitely exist if you would like to see that. This book was $100, and if you are considering buying it for yourself and would like to see if it is worth your money, which just by my first impression, I would definitely say that it is. Leave a comment and let me know if you would like to see that full review. Alright, so that is gonna do it for this unboxing video of Rolling Through the Years, this beautiful book made for the 150th anniversary of Cedar Point. If you like this video, if you want to see me do more unboxings or more discussions of my theme park merchandise, leave a comment and let me know that. Thank you so much for watching. If you're not subscribed, I would love to see you stick around for future videos, and I'll see you next time.